Hi boys and girls, and we're going to be reviewing subtraction and addition of mixed numbers and fractions, and we're going to be going over for this week multiplication and division of fractions as well. Now you got to remember, when you're multiplying, you just turn it you can turn the fraction into an improper, the mixed number into an improper fraction and multiply across. When it comes to division, remember the formula: keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. And this is what, when we're looking at this is what we have to do. There are 5 cups of oatmeal in a container. Stella eats 1/3 cup of the oatmeal every day for breakfast. In how many days will Stella finish all of the oatmeal in the container? So there's 5 cups and she eats 1/3. How many days will it take to eat up all of the oatmeal? So basically what the question is asking you is 5 divided by 1/3. And here we have to use the theory, keep, change, flip. And we know in order to turn a whole number into a fraction, we put it over 1. We change, so we keep this and we put it over 1. We change the division to multiplication and we flip the second fraction. So instead of 1/3, it's 3 over 1. And now all you have to do is multiply, and when you get your product, that is how many days. Make sure that if you get, make sure that you put your answer in sentence form and you write out your steps and check as well. You make sure you do it for the other problem too, because if I don't see work, there's no way that I can give you credit for it. Thank you.